Hi, it's Graham at 2cvtools.com, and today we're going to show you the centrifugal advance mechanism and how to adjust it or inspect it and make sure that it's in its correct position. There are three types of engines: the 425, 435, the M4 as well, that's a 602, and the M28 series. So you've got 425, 435 and 602s. Now here we've removed the points box just to show you the internals of the centrifugal advance mechanism. Here is the lobe that operates the points, the gaps between the contacts. It's got a high point and a low point. So the high point and another low point. This is the centrifugal advance mechanism, and here you've got a stop, a metal stop, and there's also another stop at the bottom here, and these two should be adjusted exactly the same as each other. You've got some weights here and at the bottom, and a spring here and a spring at the bottom. This cam, which is attached to the camshaft, can rotate. In this position, it's called a static position. The engine's stopped, so the cam is in its natural stop position. When the engine speed increases, the centrifugal force applied to this mechanism moves the cam, and the reason that is because the engine speed, as it increases, throws the timing out, and the points have to keep up with the revs, so this thing moves, and also moves the firing point of the spark plugs, and it does that to try and catch up, because if it still stayed in its same position all the time, it would misfire. So this is the internals. Now if you had your points box back on and your points set up correctly, you could check the centrifugal advance by attaching a tachometer and a stroboscope, a timing light, and then you can read as the speed increases. You can read off on the stroboscope the advance, and on the 602 engine it's a maximum of 15 degrees. Now if you haven't got a stroboscope or a tachometer, you can use a Citroen design tool. So this is not exactly that, but it's one I've made up. And on here we've got some numbers stamped on: 6, 8, 10, 13 and 15. A 0 line, and these small centre punch marks indicate the 0, 6, 8, 10, 13 and 15 degrees. So all you should be using is 8 for the 425 engine, 12.5 or 13 for the 435 engine, and 15 degrees for the 602 engine. And what you have to do is attach this. All the numbers are stamped on the back again, and all you've got to remember is that is 0 line, 8, 13 and 15. You need a couple of tools. This is another part of it. You may need a small pair of pliers and a screwdriver. And what you have to do first is attach this. Make sure it's touching this circumference here, because you'll see this moves. It should be in the back position. You just nip it up. What you've got to do is put this pointer on and try and attach it to the flaps on the cam load. Just tighten it up. Nip it. Now, what you have to do now is set this point to the 0 line. And the 0 mark is your start point. And to do that, you'll have to turn the flywheel so that this cam rotates and this point comes into line with this 0 line here. What I'm going to do, because there's no flywheel on this engine, is I'll set it to 0 there. So this now is opposite the 0 line. Now to check the maximum centrifugal advance, all we need to do is move the mechanism. And once this weight comes up and touches this stop, that gives you the reading of the centrifugal advance, which is about 13 degrees. Now it should be 15 degrees. So what we can do is bend these tabs up on the bottom one slightly, rotate this again, and that's now 15 degrees. There's the 15 degree line. So we know this centrifugal advance is set correctly now. Thank you for watching.